Hey guys, today my topic is how to wire connector. A wire connector is to celebrate the beginning of new year according to the calendar. The holiday is food and display. The festive decorations all focused on bringing good luck for the new year and celebrating the coming of spring in China. In China, the lunar calendar is still used to determine traditional holidays like Chinese New Year. Since the lunar calendar is based on the phases of the moon, which has a shorter circle than the sun, Chinese New Year is never on the same day each year, but typically falls somewhere between 1st January and regional celebrations. Celebrations can actually last up of the month. After another people customer is a hanger for sign poster on door and windows. On door and windows with a Chinese word for you written on them, will mean luck and happiness. Phew. Buying followers for the buying followers for the home from the home is from the home from the home is specific food are served. It is typical for the Chinese family to make 8 to 9 dishes for the new year your dinner, because in Chinese laughing the word eat mean prosperity and the word nine means long lastings. It is a traditional practice for adults to give children little red envelopes filled with money in order to symbolize wealth and prosperity for the coming year. It is also common for elder to presents and red packets to receptions has left the home of the giver. Every year is associated with one of the 12 animals and the Chinese zodiac zodiacs. These animals are often represented in decorations. Some people some people believe that those born during the year of the particular animals may have the character traits from this animal. Every the due time is the family should be together in order to think they have from this past and reinvigorate themselves from this year. In the one of the major festivals in the cultures like just ethnic communities of the world, in China too, the New Year is the most important day of this year. This is time when the family member mm, strive to be their near and dear ones. They regard this as a time to usher out of the old year and welcome the new with a great festival and marking. Merry marking is a holiday that celebrates the beginning of the new year. According of the new Chinese, it is considered to be one of the most important holidays from these families. The holidays is the food and display of these festive decorations. नींद आ रही है यार. Festive decorations are focused on bringing food, luck for the new year and celebrating the coming of spring. In China, the lunar calendar is still used to determine traditional holidays like Chinese New Year, since the lunar calendar is based on the phases of the moon with a shorter circle than the sun. Chinese New Year is never some from this area and the circumstances and viability and from the last month मेरे पास है and ठंड मान है अभी and from the circumstances and the ability to हमारा की जम्मी दूसरी हाँ जी की करना उन्होंने ready for a punch.